Today I'm going to be reading a book called George the Hero Hound by Jeffrey Albutler. George was a good old hound dog. Every day George was up, even before the chickens, to help old Farmer Fritz with the chores. That rust bucket tractor was always falling apart, and those cows were always plotting to get out of the feast on the cornfield. George didn't mind a whit, as long as he got the afternoon nap. He had a good life for a hound dog until the day old Farmer Fritz decided to retreat and move a cannonball on the beach where they didn't allow cows, they didn't allow pigs, and sad to say they didn't even allow a dog. Sorry boy, I need you to look after the farm. George was left in the dust. But not for long. Nothing could have been prepared for George for the Gladstone. They packed up their noisy apartment in the city and bought Fritz's farm, cows, pigs, George and all. Look, we have a dog. I wonder what his name is. Pat. Can I name him Owen? Keep an eye on your sister. George could tell right away that the Gladstone family would need a whole heap of help. There'd be no afternoon naps on the porch for a while. Would someone hand me the wrench? Thanks. I can't figure out why this tractor won't start. Ooh, this looks important. It works. Hi, Pooch. Didn't see you there. You have the same color of these old parts. Maybe we should call you Rusty. Stop! Crash. George watched as the tractor went clean through the fence, but he wouldn't let the cows get away. He spent the next couple of hours trying to herd those sneaky cows back into the pen where they belonged. George was tuckered out. All he wanted was a cool drink of water and to sneak a few winks in the shade. Look at my floor. You are the dustiest dog. I ought to call you Dusty. George was swept out in the old house. George shook himself off and was just padding toward his favorite shady spot where he spied something blue. Then Owen came running over. I was supposed to be watching my baby sister, Olive. Can you help me find her, boy? George took a good sniff at Olive's ribbon. He was a hound dog after all, and off they went. Searching high and low, they finally found that pint-sized rambler. Wow, good boy, you tracked my sister across every corner of this farm. We should call you Rover. George has saved the day. As he trotted back home, George was sure he would definitely get a well-deserved nap. Until crash, splat, Red. Olive just said her first word. Maybe we should call you Red. From that day on, George still didn't get many afternoon naps, but he didn't mind too much. Turns out that he liked herding Olive more than he liked herding the cows. And since George figured out that Gladstone needed some tips on how to run the farm, he vowed to teach them everything he knew. Especially how to deal with those crafty cows. He even hatched a plan to drum up business. Hi there, George. Thanks for the delivery. Now, if George could teach his new family one last thing, his name, Rusty, Dusty, Red, Rover. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!